Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact battery type printed on the old cell. Most focus keys use CR2032, but double-check to avoid damage. Put the device on a soft cloth to protect finishes and ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap if available. Once done, use the small Phillips or flat tool to remove visible screws, then pry the back gently at the designated notch. Apply steady, even pressure so clips release without. You'll next access the battery holder. Identify whether it's a spring clip or spot-welded pad. If it's a clip, depress the retainer and slide the old cell out. If soldered, stop and seek professional help. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool so you don't short contacts. Once removed, clean contact surfaces with isopropyl on a cotton swab, then insert the new battery with the positive side oriented as marked, seating it until the clip snaps back in place. You finish by reversing disassembly. Align the back cover, press clips until they click, and tighten screws finger-tight to prevent stripping. Power the device on and press the focus key several times to verify consistent response. If you have a multimeter, confirm battery voltage under load. Make sure to reinsert any trays or accessories. If the key fails, check battery orientation, look for corrosion or bent contacts, and reseat the cell. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.